How to use voice input in DeepSeek AI Chat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open DeepSeek AI Chat on your device. Here, click on Message DeepSeek. Click on it. And then, above your keyboard, you'll find a mic-like icon. Click on the mic-like icon at the bottom. After you've clicked on the mic-like icon at the bottom, simply use your voice. It will simply take your voice and make it to the text. After you've done that, you can simply press send and it will give you an answer. And this is how to use voice input in DeepSeek AI Chat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.